Here's a quick tour of the welding cart. The MIG welder on the bottom, and the TIG welder in the middle. Plasma cutter on the top. Got lead holders for the plasma torch and the MIG gun. And on the front, holder for the ground lead. And right now it's plugged into the MIG welder. There's going to be a junction box in there, so all three machines can share that same work lead. Holders for TIG rods and stick welding electrodes. There's the tanks. Power coming in. So all three machines can be plugged into a single cord. Got a big beefy extension cord hanging on the back. Can reach out to about 50 feet total between these two cords. There's the TIG torch lead and the TIG pedal lead. And I made a holster for the TIG pedal. There. And that's about it. It's almost done.